The first recorded recipe has been appeared in 1896 with created by Fannie Merritt Farmer on her cookbook. Hi, my name is Kyle and welcome to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. And today we're going to show you how to make these delicious oatmeal raisin cookies. Alright, the first thing that you want to start by preheat your oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to make sure the oven will be nice and hot. We're going to start by putting the wet ingredients together. We're going to cream it 2 sticks of unsalted butter, room temperature. Make sure to soften up the butter. We're going to add in 3/4 cup of firmly packed light brown sugar. I'm going to follow by 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. We're just going to cream this until light and fluffy. There we go, very nice and fluffy. Just want to scrape down the sides of the bowl occasionally. Get that butter and sugar everywhere. I'm going to use the one with a rubber spatula. While to this, I'm going to add 2 large eggs, have that at room temperature. I'm just going to keep going. Great. I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. After just beating up the eggs, I'm going to keep whirling it up. Always remember to keep sticking down sides. Alright, you just keep scraping over with the rubber spatula. We're going to set this aside. We're going to move on for dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, either the enriched or unbleached. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Just going to put it in here. Going to whisk it around. And don't forget, you guys, 3 cups of quick or Old Fashioned Oats. I'm going to keep stir this together with the wire whisk. Then we're going to add slowly, little by little, to the cream mixture. So I'm just going to put these little by little of the dry to the cream mixture. I'm probably sure they're flying everywhere with the beater. Right. A little more. I'm almost going to make a mess. More than that for the dry. Almost there. Let's finish the rest. You see that dough coming together? And just gonna move the beater off. I'm going to switch with a spoon or the rubber spatula. I just switched from the beater to the rubber spatula. I'm going to fill in this raisin. So this is what I'm going to try for 1 cup of Sun-Maid natural California raisins. Just going to fold it in the raisins to the cookie dough. I'm probably sure this might be got thin here that I keep folding over. I'm going to see that just turns out here for the cookie dough. If you want to put any nuts at this point or chocolate chips, either way with the coconut flakes, because we're making oatmeal raisin cookies. Alright, we just fold in the raisin to the cookie dough. Just grab some cookie sheets, line with some parchment paper for easy cleanup. We're going to take just a scoop amount of the cookie dough. You can use this one with an ice cream scooper. Doesn't matter what size of the cookies, whatever you want to prefer. Any individuals, just scoop it right on to the cookie sheet. I'm going to give you a closer look. I'm just going to form it into a ball, or you can roll it if you can when your hands get my sticky. Break it in half if this piece is too big. Back on the cookie sheet. I like to flatten down with your hands. Make it nice and even. I'm going to finish the rest. Okay, I just made only 26 of those cookies. Any dozens, any size. I use it with the larger size of an ice cream scooper to scoop all the way onto the cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. I roll it out and I just break it in half when the pieces might be too big. And I roll the other half of it and place it back on the cookie sheet and flatten down with your hands, and I roll the other half and roll the rest. We're gonna pop this in the oven. Has been preheated for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake these for 10 minutes. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks. Just keep an eye on it in the oven. Just watch it carefully. Alright, it looks done. Instead of 10 minutes, I put about like 15 minutes. I took it out of the oven. I transferred the cookies from the cookie sheet to the wire rack, and I cool it for 20 minutes at room temperature before I'm going to transfer it into a serving plate. And you can see the cookies has been already spread out after it comes to bake in the oven. I wish you can smell that. It's gonna be nice and crisp, or either way to chewy for the cookies. I'm probably sure you're gonna love these afternoon snack. And here you go, you have a finished oatmeal raisin cookies that I just made only about 26 of those. Any dozen you want, any size if you can. It is completely up to you. I hope you guys enjoy. Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments what you think about this. Check out these other recipes from In the Kitchen with Worldwide Campus on this playlist. Then be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for our latest videos.